This is going to be a short mini-series on a theory on how I think UFOs operate and how they interact with this reality. Maybe 3 nights ago, I had a dream where there was a UFO in my dream, and it looked something like this. And in the dream, it transformed into a boat with people on it, which I thought was pretty interesting. I didn't really think much of it, but this was the general shape of it. And when I woke up that morning, I opened TikTok, and one of the first videos I saw was a UFO sighting, and the UFO had the exact same shape as the thing I saw in the dream. The first thing you have to imagine is that UFOs are incredibly advanced pieces of technology, maybe from alien civilizations. Maybe the government has already developed them, but I think it's more likely that it's from alien civilizations. And with this technology, this technology can exist within higher planes of existence. It can exist within the astral plane, which is where you go when you sleep and when you dream, and it's possible to enter the astral plane through deep meditative states. And what I think this UFO can do is that it can enter these astral realms and can fade in and out of existence, and this is why you see it when there's videos of UFOs and the UFO suddenly just flashes out of existence. It doesn't flash out of existence, it just goes to a higher plane. And what I think happened is that that UFO was existing in the higher astral planes, or the higher lower astral planes. People imagine just UFOs as having like some sort of advanced physics to it. Like, for example, they have just ion propulsion that makes it go like super fast, or they've developed like a warp drive. But I think UFOs are a combination of all those advanced technologies, plus incredibly intelligent and incredibly enlightened life forms that are operating them. In order to develop a UFO that is that advanced, you need extremely advanced technology, and the materials that it's made out of have to be so extremely precise and so extremely advanced, and have to be imbued with consciousness, or a version of consciousness, for it to travel in and out of the astral planes to physical reality. The next, more logical question to this is, why would there be aliens coming to planet Earth? What would the point of that? Well, if you notice, there's a bunch of change going on, and I think the aliens are just monitoring this change, and possibly monitoring and making sure the change goes as planned. Because I think there needs to be chaos in order for change to come, and the aliens are making sure the wrong people don't get swept in that chaos, and making sure that the people are on the right track. And maybe the government is releasing these things because they need more people to become enlightened, and they just need divine timing for this enlightenment. And that's why we're seeing more and more UFO sightings.